just let's get started with entrepreneurship. So, what is entrepreneurship? Anyone? What is entrepreneurship? Anyone? Yes?
Setting up a business with the market need.
Okay. Thanks for your kind response. But as per the Google, entrepreneurship is the creation of extraction of economic value and the intending task beyond which normally encountered in a starting business. Guys, do you really think this is relatable? It seems yeah, we aren't connect with it much, but this is little bit about the entrepreneurship. But we are not entrepreneurs, we are student entrepreneurs and with some extraordinary challenges. And therefore, our definition of entrepreneurship is completely changes and it restricted us. Entrepreneurship completely changes and also educational focuses on developing real life skills that will help students to lead exceptional lives in a rapidly changing world. Entrepreneurship comes with the amazing quality which helps in preparing students for an uncertain future. Entrepreneurship focus program teach students in crucial life skills that will help them to negotiate and also navigate a certain future. Entrepreneurship also requires and also gains the skills like boost your leadership quality, team building spirit, team management skills, perseverance and disciplines, and teaches you a basic life skills. And also, these is the skills include a problem solving, teamwork, empathy, and as well as the concept failure as a part of growth process. So let's sum up why entrepreneurship is required. Firstly and mostly promotes innovative and it helps the students to work of an idea which aren't in the box and is gained in the age of the others. Nextly, it promotes research and industrial experience also, and necessity is the mother of invention, as we know. One can say the startups are the outcomes of the surrounding problems on entrepreneurship is required for social changes. And thanks everyone, and I would like to request Pritam to take over this session.
Thank you, Jayesh. So, as Jayesh described about entrepreneurship, you might be wondered why we are focusing on entrepreneurship when you are just stepping into this engineering world. So, let me tell you one thing. When you study in medical sector, you can become only doctor. When you study in pharmacy sector, you can become only pharmacist. But when you study for engineering, then you can become engineer to prime minister anything. And that's true, and you will get to know about it. And that's where entrepreneurship lies. So Pune Vidyarthi Grihas College of Engineering and Technology is here with Entrepreneurship Development Cell. We basically tries to bridge the gap between ideas to the market product and strives to foster the spirit of entrepreneurial thought and enterprise into the talented minds. We are driven forward by a team of strong and motivated individuals. Diving a little deep, let me just tell you. We are driven forward by a team of strong and motivated individuals. Diving a little deep into entrepreneurship development cell, let's get some insights about our vision and our mission. This is the tagline we are with. We aspire to inspire. The main vision of our cell is to inculcate the concept of entrepreneurship among the students because we want more and more job givers rather than the job seekers. We even help students to develop their ideas and guide the students if they have any startup ideas. So one can firmly say it is the Students Association for the students' welfare. To accomplish this task, we have certain missions. To complete with this task, these missions includes organizing several workshops by successful entrepreneurs. Nextly, we strive to cultivate the entrepreneurial culture in our campus. And last but not the least, this is we act as an institutional mechanism for providing various services to these budding entrepreneurs. Thank you everyone. Now I would like to request Sharvin to take over the session. Thank you.
So hello guys, I'm Sharvin. So let's talk about NEC. What is NEC? So is everybody aware of IIT Bombay? Yes. Yeah. So हाँ IIT में नहीं हुआ तो PVG में आ गए. ठीक है. So what is NEC? So NEC is National Entrepreneurship Challenge, which is held by IIT Bombay each year. So the colleges from all over the India take part in this challenge. Like you can say colleges like AISSMS, VIT, VIIT, all the colleges compete over there. So this actually competition is for a pan-India competition. So NEC focuses to develop e-cells and also support for startups and incubators. So this is the main role of NEC, and also that what are the competitions in NEC. So when you go to NEC, we take people of 25, a team of 25 people from our e-cell, and who just represent our college in IIT Bombay. So over there we get competitions like 10-minute million, where you need to pitch your startup idea or any idea, and there are some panelists sitting, and if a particular panelist loves your startup idea, he just writes down a check and gives you instantly. After that there are various sessions, like recently I have gone for a couple of competitions. Yeah, so I am not present in this photo because I was the photographer. Yeah, so after this there are some competitions like no, not competitions actually. We need to represent our e-cell in IIT Bombay. So there are GD. So we give couple of members a chance to not debate actually, make group discussion with other colleges, and also after this there is a presentation of our e-cell, what we do in all over the tenure of a particular committee, like we can say for academic year 22-23, etc. And also I would like to say that we have been qualified for finals for 5 times since we are participating in this IIT Bombay competitions. And yeah, that's all. And I would like to pass on the dice to Swaroop. Thank you.
So, hello everyone. My name is Swaroop. So, I'm going to tell you about our teams. So, you can see this picture. This is our fantastic team. This photograph was taken after our annual event called Venturers. You can see our satisfaction on our happy faces. So you might be thinking how EDCell works. So basically we are divided in teams like technical, social media, curation, documentation, sponsorship and public relations. So what does curation team does? Curation is the heart of EDCell, where we connect various startups, industries and connect with them in our campus. Social media, what we accomplish in various events is communicated to you by social media team. We design posters and social reels. You must be using Instagram lately, where we connect all the students in for us. Next team is documentation team. Team documentation oversees the entire workflow, assigns tasks and is responsible for the execution and documentation of the event. Next is public relations. It is the bridge between students and EDCell. Next team is sponsorship. Sponsorship is important to success of our event in countless ways. It also improves positive publicity and improves brand image, for which we collab with brands and for our events. And finally the technical team. In technical team there is mainly website building and website maintenance. For all the coders there is a huge chance for website building for our eCell. So you might be wondering, how do we join this eCell? So first of all, soon we are going to conduct interviews for that. Keep up with our social media handles, EDC_PVG on Instagram. And keep up with your official WhatsApp group. Also register on our website, that is edcpvg.github.io. After registering, you will be interviewed and allotted in your teams as your interest and skills. Okay, thank you. I will pass this dice to Sri.
Hello everyone, I am Shrikar Kulkarni, technical team member of EDCell PVG COET. As Swaroop discussed our teams, I'm sure that you must be wondering that what we do and what we have done in the past. First, let's talk about the time when times were hard and we were not able to go out of home. But all things were closed except EDCell, of course. We organized B-Plan online event mode. We had great speakers like Tamanjit Bindra, co-founder of Kagad Scanner. As we can know, in online mode, all our study material was PDFs and Word files. So we invited Tamanjit Bindra, founder of Kagad Scanner, Rajat Dangi, co-founder of HapRamp, Rishiraj Kalita, an investment associate in Huddle. And B-Plan was a competition where our PVG students were pitching their startup plans and getting mentorship from these people. And also we conduct monthly events like business development and marketing with Shambhavi Kulkarni, founder of Nehari, market analysis session with Mahima Hotchandani, owner of Gokul Crockery. The COVID times where stock market rose, so we invited Karthik Pingle, PVG alumni, for stock market analysis session and thrust talks with serial entrepreneur Omkar Deshpande. As an EDCell, our main motive is entrepreneurship development, of course, but we believe that we owe something to our society. So EDCell organized a blood donation camp. As you can see the middle picture there, it is inauguration of blood donation camp, and the first donor was our beloved principal sir, Dr. Manoj Tarambade sir. I can understand that you might be thinking that online events, I will not say them as boring, but I will say them as dull. Those are some dull events we conducted online. They were interesting, of course, but it is our stereotype that online are bored. But they are not the only one. A few months ago, before you joined the college, we had our annual event, Venturers 2022. That was one of the most spectacular events in our college. On day one, we had Mayurakshi Das, founder of Elixir AI, and on the second speaker session was Smith Gonsalves, director at Cyber Secure. They are the big horses of their field, we can say. On the second day, we had our celebrity guest, Mr. Yogesh Shinde. You might be knowing him from famous TV show Shark Tank India. He is founder of Bamboo India, and I was lucky that I got chance to interview him. And I would also like to add that these are just highlights of our event. We not only organize speaker session, those are important, but we believe as a student we must be doing something fun activity. So we also organize crick auction event. We also organize treasure hunt, and also events, informative events like board meeting, networking session. A lot of events we organize, and at last every event must end with some kind of blast. So we invited Pushkar Bendre, famous stand-up comedian, to perform stand-up comedy. This was for year 2022. For 2019, our seniors and EDCell invited Mandar Bhide and also Sarang Sathe, the founder of Bhadipa. And of course, I would like to add some things. Our primary goal is entrepreneurship development, of course, but EDC also provides student association for student. EDCell is one of the few committees of student which includes all of the branches. Even CS guy can connect with IT guy, electrical guy can connect with printing guy. We don't have branch barrier with us. You will get exposure to all the branches, and you can explore the all engineer fields if you are part of EDCell, or even if you connect with EDCell. That was the professional talk. On a personal level, I would also like to add personality development is one of the major thing that EDCell taught us. In my opinion, personality development is one of the important life lessons. and being a part of ED cell, you will be able to gain some knowledge accordingly. Moving towards the end of this session, I would like to encourage you all to connect with us, and you might be thinking that I don't have any plan or anything. Like, you are just a moments away. It is just a moment of spark that you are getting, and that you are getting one of the biggest startup in the world. You are just moment away from your extraordinary startup plan. Question answer. We will be having a Q&A round. If anyone has questions, you might be feeling shy right here in the audience. You can also connect with our social media teams. You can text us. We will surely reply you. Anyone has any questions related to?
Any questions? अरे बोला बोला, मित्रासारखाच आहे मी तुमचा.
असं नाही बोलू शकता तुम्ही.
असं काही घाबरू नका की टीचर्स बसलेत म्हणून बोलायचं नाही. टीचर्स काही बोलणार नाही. बोला तुम्ही.
सध्या तरी ऑन्टरप्रिनरशिप बद्दलच बोलू.
सर, जर बिझनेस आयडिया चांगली असली तर फंडिंग होणार का कॉलेजकडून?
बस बस बस. तुला खरं ऐकायचं का खोटं ऐकायचं?
चालेल, खरं पण चालेल. माहित आहे नाही भेटणार.
बरोबर प्रेडिक्ट केलंस, पण
एक सपोर्ट तर भेटू शकेल ना?
हां, सपोर्ट तुला नक्की भेटणार. तुला पाहिजे तर सगळं सपोर्ट भेटेल. पण एक सांगू शकतो की लवकरच आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये इन्क्युबेशन सेंटर होईल, त्यामुळे फंडिंग भेटण्याची शक्यता आहे.
आणि जोपर्यंत ते होईल तोपर्यंत आम्ही तुम्हाला कनेक्ट करू, जे तुम्हाला फंड करतील. त्याचा पण काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. कॉलेज नाही करणार, पण जे करतील त्यांच्यासोबत ED सेल तुला कनेक्ट करून देईल, याची गॅरंटी मी देऊ शकतो.
ॲज अ ED सेल आम्ही बरेच स्पीकर्स आणि जे असे ऑन्टरप्रेनर्स आहेत ज्यांचा वेल सेटल्ड बिझनेस आहे, अशा लोकांना कॉन्टॅक्ट करतो. सो आपला व्हेंचरसचा जो इव्हेंट झाला होता तेव्हा शार्क टँक ही पण कॉन्सेप्ट आम्ही इम्प्लिमेंट केली होती. सो त्यांच्यासमोर तुमचा जर काही स्टार्टअप आयडिया असेल तुम्ही पिच करू शकता आणि त्यावेळी तुम्हाला फंडिंग मिळून जाईल जर तुमचा स्टार्टअप आयडिया त्यांना आवडला तर. सो असे बरेच सेशन्स आम्ही अरेंज करू, तर त्या थ्रू तुमचं होऊन जाईल जर स्टार्टअपला फंडिंग हवं असेल तर.
अँड फॉर पास्ट एक्सपिरियन्स, प्रणव शर्मा आपले ॲल्युमिनायच होते. त्यांना जर आयडिया आवडली असती तर ते $5,000 इन्व्हेस्टमेंट पण करणार होते. मग तू जर आधी आला असतास तर कदाचित तुला भेटली पण असती, तुझी आयडिया एवढी चांगली. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन्स?
इंटरव्ह्यू कधी सेट केला जाणार?
इंटरव्ह्यू आम्ही तुला लवकरात लवकर आम्ही कनेक्ट करू. वी विल कॉन्टॅक्ट यू ऑन युअर अनऑफिशियल, ऑफिशियल, एनी अदर व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप.
व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप नाही?
नाही, अरे तुमच्या व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपवर कॉन्टॅक्ट.
आमचा व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप जेव्हा फॉर्म होतो, जेव्हा तुम्ही E-सेलमध्ये इंटरव्ह्यूज देऊन सिलेक्ट होऊन येतात तेव्हा तुम्ही E-सेलच्या ग्रुपमध्ये येतात. तोपर्यंत ग्रुप असा स्पेसिफिक काही नसतो. आम्ही टीचर्स थ्रू कनेक्टेड असतो. आम्ही टीचर्सला फॉरवर्ड करतो आणि टीचर्सचा डेटा तुम्हाला फॉरवर्ड करतात तुमच्या ग्रुप्सवरती. सो तुम्ही आमच्या सोशल हँडल्सला फॉलो करा, वेबसाईटवरती अपडेटेड राहा. तिकडे सगळे रिलीज करत जाऊ आम्ही डेट्स वगैरे.
If you are interested, you can always connect with us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and even you can connect with us on website.
बेसिकली इन्स्टावरनं.
आणि कोणाला फोन नंबर हवा असेल तर फोन नंबर नोट डाऊन करून घेऊ शकता. माझाच नंबर आहे शर्विन फरांदे.
ही इज जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ ईडी सेल.
सो मोबाईल नंबर आहे 9762629598. परत एकदा रिपीट करतो 9762629598.
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन्स वी हॅव?
शर्विन फरांडे.
कुणाला काही क्वेश्चन्स आहेत अजून? मग आपण एंड करू हे सेशन. झालं. So I guess there are no further questions. In this way, we come to end of this introduction session of ED Cell. I would like to thank Wagmare ma'am and Mirachi ma'am and Ghosh ma'am for giving us time slot in FE Induction 2022. See you soon. We will connect with you on social media platform, on personal contact anyone. If you can see anyone, you can contact with any one of us. Thank you so much. Thank you.